Nice, beautiful first day of spring. Never thought of it. Thought spring would never come alive because all the people I've got to be killing today. Wow. Trees still look like autumn and fall. Something hot. Going crazy. Right over there. There's just a crazy hall. Well, now we're going on the killing spree. You don't know, guys, I'm a killer. Something like this on me. Ah, it's hard to see. Ah, crap, I'm gonna get this. Ah, yeah. It's easier to see so I know where I'm going. Chuck it! Hehe. Perfect. I should have worked that. My friend is the parrot. Caught. Oh, jeez, I'm caught by this thought. Hey, this is my member's house. Maybe you can play. Maybe you can come out on a killing spree. Maybe I shouldn't. Should I? Oh, they got that. They got their attention. That should have got their attention. I clicked. Okay. Okay. It's okay. I'm not freaking here. Freaking chuck it. Yeah. They were checking inside the house. Busting. I was outside.
Look at the, You should look at the new Maximus.